Lesson plans by Henry Carrillo Burgos. Lesson planning for adolescents. So the methodology task-based learning and topic present perfect tense. Objectives. The students have to identify the structure of present perfect tense in different ways, and they have to identify the regular and irregular verbs. They have to identify the structures of present perfect tense. They have to identify the use of time fractions, and they have to be able to understand readings and audios. And they have to give the importance of the use of ICT in their learning processes. Work up. The teacher shows a video when the students see the verbs in present, past and past participle. Then the teacher gives some sentences in present perfect tense, and the teacher asks the students if they can guess the topic that they will learn. In the presentation, the teacher, using the explanation, shows a PowerPoint presentation, and then use a video in order to reinforce the topic. At the end, the teacher asks some questions about the structure of present perfect tense. In the practice, teacher uses some websites in order that the students have to complete some activities, and the teacher asks questions about the students. If the answers are wrong, so the teacher has to give feedback to the students. In the production post, the teacher gives some worksheets to the students when they have to do different activities, and they have to write down some sentences, and then they have to listen the audio in order to create a brief summary. And materials and assessment posts. So there are PowerPoint presentations, videos, websites, and dictionaries and worksheets. And the students have to create a PowerPoint presentation explaining the present perfect tense. And lesson plan for adults. So the methodology task-based learning and topic simple present tense and objectives. The students have to identify the structure of present tense, simple present tense, and they have to identify the auxiliaries of the simple present tense in a negative and interrogative sentences. So the students are able to write down a short dialogues and tests to reading comprehension, to understand the audios, and give the importance to the use of ICT on the learning process. Work up. The teacher asks the students the activities that they have to do every day from Monday to Friday. Then the teacher gives head of his own daily routine, and then the teacher asks the students if they can guess the topic using a game, Hangman. The presentation shows the teacher using the explanation a video about simple present, and then ask questions to the students about the grammar when they are making affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. In the practice, so the students have to use some different websites in order they have to complete some sentences in multi-choice quiz, and the teacher asks them the question, and if the answers are wrong from the students, so the teacher has to give feedback to them. After that, in the production, so the students have to write down their daily routine, so they have to use a composition about 300 words, so they have to take in account the address of frequency, and they can use affirmative and negative statements. And then they see a video on YouTube, and they have to make a summary from the video, and then they have to create in pairs dialogues about simple present tense, and then they have to write down a PowerPoint presentation of simple present, and they have to create a blog, and they have to create this information with their classmates. Materials, worksheets, PowerPoint presentation, videos, dictionary, and websites. As an example, so they have to make a PowerPoint presentation and create a blog about simple present. Thanks for watching my video.